Oh, I am feeling so much happier right now, and you're gonna find out why. But be warned, in this video, you're gonna see some saddening imagery. I'm very tired. I often am, because I just don't sleep. It's just been a thing since I was a teenager. But, you gotta do something to release whatever gets messed up. So I find that crying helps, and but the problem is I'm a stereotypical guy in that I find it hard to cry. But I'm not a stereotypical guy in that I cry to a certain thing, sad movies. And what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for A Dog of Flanders, the anime version on YouTube. Because if I watch this, then I'll be able to cry maybe. Okay, so here we go. Dog of Flanders. The snow is falling. He's walking on the street. His shoes came off. Okay. I was looking at the artwork.
Das ist das Bild. Das Bild von Rubens.
Rubens. He's dead. Cherubs are coming. He's already dead. It's over. I gotta say, this was an interesting experiment. There's a screenshot of the movie in case you want to look for it. A Dog of Flanders, the last chapter. As you can see, I saw a lot of sad faces when I made this, and looking at my own sad faces and watching the video of me again made me cry again. And this is like a post-crying image. And you can see a tear running down my cheek if the resolution on the internet is good enough. I hope it is. Otherwise, this video is going to look pretty stupid. Maybe it already does, but who cares? So like I said, crying made me feel better. And I can't cry all the time. It's I hear some people, especially women, can just turn it on when they need it. I can't, and so I needed a little help from my poor orphan friend, whatever his name is. I never learned that. But the dog, oh, the dog, oh. Anyways, if you're feeling stressed, I recommend watching A Dog of Flanders and crying your little heart out. I first discovered it way back at the university that I went to. It was just playing randomly one night at a thing I was at, and I watched that, and I cried my head off, but it felt good. I'm a little verklempt. This is not like me. I promise. Okay. But being tired is like me. So, yeah. You're probably bored to tears now. So, I'll go.
저러다가 아침도 밥 안 해.